Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 28. My name is Walter. In today's lesson, we are going to convert fraction to percentage. In converting fraction to percentage, we multiply the given fraction by 100. Convert the following fractions to percentage. Let's go to question number 1. We're supposed to convert 3/4 into percentage. What we are going to do, we are going to multiply 3/4 multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. We can simplify here by 4, 1, by 4 it is 25. 3 multiplied by 25, we are going to get 75%. Let's go to question number 2. We need to change 1/4 into percentage. This is mixed number, so first let's change into improper fraction. That is going to be 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1. This will be equal to 5/4. Into percentage, we are going to multiply by 100. We can simplify here by 4, 1, by 4, it is 25. 5 multiplied by 25, we are going to get 125. This is percent. Let's go to question number 3. We are supposed to change 3/20 into percent. First, we are going to change this mixed number into improper fraction. That is 20 multiplied by 7, it is 140 plus 3. We get 143/20. We need to change this into percentage, so we are going to multiply by 100. We can simplify here by 20, it's 1. By 20, we get 5. 143 multiplied by 5, we get 700. 15%. Hope you understand how to convert a fraction into percentage. We just multiply the given fraction by 100 and then we simplify to get the required percentage. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.